Hey guys, my name is James Mason with the Facebook group Transparent Traders. In this video, I have two stocks to watch over the next few days to hopefully give you a successful trade. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit that subscribe button so you can continue to receive content in the future like this and other things that we will be presenting to you guys in the following months. So let's get into it. Alright, so for the first ticker, this is ticker ARRY. Here it is on the 1 year, 1 day chart. As you can see how it has performed over the last year. And this is today right here. So currently the pharmaceutical stocks, overall they're kind of hot right now. So you can see this daily candlestick right here. And this ticker right here, I am bullish on this. So basically I'm expecting it to go up more. And the reason why is this massive green candlestick right here. Also, a complete reversal on the MACD with this strong candlestick right there. And of course, RSI is going to follow. But the great thing about the RSI right now is it's only at 65. So it hasn't actually gotten, too hot. But if it does get hot, you can look back here, it has gotten up to 78. Now, it doesn't have to go up to that, but that just kind of lets me know that there is potential for more room for this to go higher. So again, this is ticker ARRY. For the next ticker, and this is ticker ANTM. So with this one, you can see the MACD right here has been kind of going on for a little bit, but it's going into its second wave. Also, note right here, dividends will be paid out on June 7th. And typically, when dividends start coming up, stocks tend to rise because people want to collect those dividends. So, as you can see, this small gap up right here, and a strong green candlestick on the daily chart. Just backing out real quick, you can see, all this movement. But the two main reasons why I am bullish on this one is, besides this strong green candlestick right here, is also this gap. This gap that it can fill right here on up to 291. So you can see the current price is 277. Now it doesn't have to fill that, but in a lot of cases it actually does. So that's why I'm bullish with this ticker right here, and this is ANTM. So these are the two stocks to start watching for a successful swing trade. Obviously with a PPS this high, talking in terms of options. So I hope this helps you out in your trades in the next few days, and I will see you in the next one.